Hi everyone, it's Najwa here, and today I'm going to show you how I make pasta puttanesca. Let's go! First, we're going to boil some water for the pasta and salt. Leave it to boil while we prepare the other ingredients. I'm going to chop up one onion. I picked a small onion here. A couple cloves of garlic. Hi, Gajing. And then you want to roughly chop your olives. Here I've got two different types of olives. I'm using black and green olives, but feel free to use whatever feels right to you. Just gonna, whoops, it rolled off. Roughly chop them up. And then you're going to do the same with the black olives. Look. Chop, chop, chop. We can get started on the sauce itself while the water is boiling. So first we're gonna saute the onions. And then I'm gonna put in the anchovies along with its oil. This one is the anchovies in olive oil. Oh. Just put it in whole. And then in goes the garlic. Next, you're going to add the chili flakes, oregano. I'm going to add in just 2 teaspoons, half teaspoon of each. Ouch, hot. You can see that the anchovies has kind of fallen apart and the onions are softened, so that's what you want. So next you're going to add in the tomato puree. And that goes. After you've added the tomato puree, you want to see it until it has color like this. kind of orangey red. And then you're going to put in your canned tomatoes. Here I've got some chopped canned tomatoes. Stir that in. My water has boiled. My water has boiled up, so I'm gonna add in my pasta now. In you go. We want to turn down the heat so that the tomato can cook, simmer gently. You want it to be saucy but not thick like a puree. Next, you're going to stir in the capers. And the olives. And you need juice of half of a lemon. Okay, pasta is almost ready, so we're gonna add a little lemon zest into the sauce. Scoop the pasta in to the sauce. Season with some salt. And pepper. Ooh. And that's it, done. We are ready to serve. Dah.
Mai. Sedap.
Sama-sama.